Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. Okay. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on tribes, nomads and settled communities. So which is related to class 7th. Then while children, let's start our assignment with the first question here. See the first question. Name the shepherd tribes of the western Himalayas. So the answer is Gadis. So in this chapter children, in this assignment, we are going to see some question answers on based on tribes and nomads. So I will show you one picture. In India, see here, in India we have different type of tribes. Like for example, Gokars, Kokars, Gonds, Baigas, Mundas, Cheras, Koyas. Like this, different tribes are there in our country. So in this assignment, we are going to see the different tribes and nomads information. Okay, now let's see here. So that is what the first question answer. Name the shepherd tribe of the western Himalayas. That is Gadis. Then take second question children. Which tribe was very influential in Punjab during the 13th and 14th centuries? So which tribe? So that is Kokars. See here, Kokars tribes was very influential in Punjab. So during the 13th and 14th century. See where is Kokars? See children in this map. So where is Kokars? See here is Kokars. Okay. So these tribes are very influential in Punjab during 13th and 14th centuries. Now let's take third question here. Name the tribes which was powerful in the northwest. So the answer is Balochis. So Balochis tribes, they are very powerful in northwest. Now let's take fourth question here. What do you mean by clan? Give example. Clan means children a group of families which they are having a common ancestors. So that is what's here. Clan is a group of families having a common ancestors. For example, tribes were divided into different clans. So in one tribe itself, there are different clans means a group of communities. Okay children, which they are having a common ancestors. Now let's take fifth question here. Name the activities which flourished in towns and villages. There are different activities like arts, crafts and production activities are very flourished in town and villages children. See here answer, new arts, crafts and production activities like producing of crops or any products like that. So these are very flourished in towns and villages. Now let's take sixth question here. Why were social changes not same at all the places? Okay, so because it is related to society children. See here social changes was not the same everywhere because different kind of societies evolved differently. So different kind of societies evolved differently. If you take here in India, the society means the social group is one type. If you go to foreign countries, so society was totally different. So that is what social system will be differ from place to place. So that is what social change was not the same everywhere. So because why? Because of different kind of societies. Now let's take seventh question here. Under which rule the society was divided? So society divided based on the rule of Varnas. That means what children? Society means what? Like Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras. So how it divided based on the Varnas. So that is what's here. Society was already divided according to the rule of Varnas. I will show you one picture also. See here. See here children. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. So based on the rule of Varnas, like this, society divided. Okay. Now let's see the next question children. That is eighth question. Who prescribed the rule of Varnas? See the rule of Varnas means categorization of society. Who prescribed means, so prescribed by the Brahmins. So in those days Brahmins are more powerful. So after that then kings. Even kings are following the following whom? Brahmins. So that is what? Who prescribed the rule of Varna? Means the rule of Varnas was prescribed by the Brahmins. Now let's take 9 question, children. What did the Varna system resulted in? So finally this categorization of society based on the rule of Varna, what happened? That means what it resulted. So it resulted what? There is a difference, means social differences it existence, means social differences happened because of this Varna system. So that is what, see, the differences between high and low and between rich and poor increased, like upper class family, lower caste, like this, means social difference. Now let's take 10th question. Which tribal communities lie in Multan and Sindh? So the answer is Langas and Arghuns. Next 11th question, children. In which part of the subcontinent did Nagas and Ahom tribes lie? So in the northern eastern part, children. In the northern eastern parts of the subcontinent, these Nagas and Ahom tribes live. Next 12th question. What do present day historians use to write tribal histories? So they use oral tradition, children. Like see here they use oral traditions and rich customs of the tribal people to write their what? Tribal histories. Next, last question. Name the tribal chief who was made noble by Emperor Akbar. So the answer is Kamal Khan Gakkar. So Kamal Khan Gakkar is the tribal chief who was made noble by Emperor Akbar. Okay, children. So these are 13 question answers. I hope you are very clear with these answers. So enjoy the day, children. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next assignment. Until that, signing off. Thank you, children.